chair cable car. There are many jeep, motorcycles, scooters, and horse riding there. You can enjoy with that things also. Today in our lunch will be mixed food. It means some Turkish, Arabian, and some Pakistani food mixed. Okay, so hope you will enjoy with food as well. Today is weather very nice. It's not hot, and so I hope that we will enjoy with our trip. And but I hope that it will be not raining, because we want to swim there in the Charwak Lake. Charwak Lake, this is artificial lake. It's like dam, and behind of them is the water.